In this tutorial, we will perform a localized safety check for a slope model. The slope consists of three local sections, 1, 1, 1.5, and 1, 2. Start by setting the work plane and preparing the model workspace. Import the slope geometry file into GTS NX. Check that the imported slope profile and soil layer boundaries are displayed correctly. Next, define the material properties for the soil layers. Create Soil 1 using the Mohr-Coulomb material model. Enter the stiffness, unit weight, strength, and permeability parameters. Create Soil 2 and assign the required material properties. Now create the 2D mesh properties for the slope model. Generate the mesh by selecting the target areas and assigning the proper soil properties. Check the generated mesh and confirm that both soil layers are properly divided. Assign and verify the material properties for each mesh area. Apply boundary conditions to the model sides and bottom. Define the initial water level along the selected boundary. The initial water condition will be used in the stress and stability analysis stages. Use SRM Inclusion to define the local areas for the safety check. Create separate SRM inclusion sets for each slope ratio area. Define the first local area for the 1 slope section. Define the second local area for the 1.5 slope section. Define the third local area for the 2 slope section. Create a construction stage set for the slope stability analysis. Activate the soil meshes, boundary conditions, self-weight, and water level. Create separate SRM stages for the 1.5, and 1.2 safety checks. Define the analysis case using the construction stage set. Set the analysis control options for the SRM calculation. Save the model and run the analysis. Review the displacement and strain results after the analysis is complete. Check the localized failure pattern for each selected slope area. Use the safety factor graph to review convergence and the final FOS value. This workflow helps compare the local safety of the 1, 1, 1, 1.5, and 1, 2 slope sections.